Hey y'all, today I'm going to be doing a strawberry lemonade themed manicure. I do one of these every spring, summer season, and it's fun to see how I've progressed over the years. I'll link last year's video below. Spoiler alert, last year's was kind of a nightmare. These products I'm using today are the Airheads collection from 2 Chicks 1 Dip, and it made this such a smoother process. These are easily my favorite neon glows on the market. So I figure in this video, I'm not really going to talk over the steps in detail or anything like that. We're just going to hang out while you watch me do this mani. I absolutely take a million clean up the cuticle lines breaks because I hate having to try to file them evenly and cutely later. I would rather just take all these breaks, get it done in the first place, get all the freaking powder off so that I'm not creating a clumpy mess, because I hate going in after the fact to try to clean stuff up. It's just not my jam. The liquids I'm currently using are from Royal House of Beauty. So if you know me, I get dip flu quite horribly. With most liquids, I wear a full respirator, which is super annoying, but obviously very sexy. With these liquids, I can get away with just a cloth mask and I don't end up with dip flu symptoms. So if you're looking for some, these aren't marketed as low odor as far as I know, but they've been working pretty well for me. Can't speak for everyone, but I'm enjoying them. I've been using them for, I think, a little over a month at this point, and it's going really well. I will go ahead and insert a referral link below so that you can try them out and get $5 off. The colors I'm using are Pink Lemonade and Citrus Rush. Oh my God, why can't I say that word? Citrus Rush from the Airheads collection from 2 Chicks 1 Dip. I do have a code. I'll put it below. It's Roxy15, and you can save 15% at checkout. She's also running a really good sale right now for 30% off the entire site, and I believe that goes until this Sunday. So a lot of times when I'm dipping, I'll do this little pat, pat, pat on the dip. And I've had people ask me why I'm doing that. Does it do anything? I don't know. I do that with clear a lot just to make sure it lays flat over everything. And now it's become a habit that I also do with color. Is it helping? Is it doing anything? I don't know, but I continue to do it. Haven't been doing videos lately because life has just been exponentially lifing. But I've missed you guys. What have you been up to? What's your current favorite manicure trend? Because I want to know it. I'm probably not capable of doing it, but I love to look at everybody else's art. Do you love this nail mat? Because I think it is so cute, and I love it because it's machine washable, so I can just shake all my excess dip off and throw it in the machine. Absolutely yes. This is one of my absolute favorite pinks, and it glows pink too. I'll try to be sure to insert a photo of the glow at the end of this video because it's ridiculous. Also, you will notice in this video, I am not doing my thumb. That is because in this moment, my thumb needed a lot of prep work that I didn't care enough to do in the moment. So I just did the 4 fingers and I had to come back later to get the thumb. It is what it is. Sometimes manicures happen over several days because life happens constantly. Whatever. I'm gonna sound like a broken record here, but this precision tool and this nail mat, both from 2 Chicks 1 Dip, code below. It's just good products. I don't get paid for this. They're just nice. That corner looked a little bit wet, so I dipped it back in. Anytime it looks like a little too wet, I just dip back into the powder. And then a lot of times I do my little tap, tap, tap motion just to make sure everything's good, everything's dry, everything is setting the way it is supposed to. So I have officially passed all my exams for school, which is great. I am officially certified in both things that I was going to school for. Now to find a career that actually wants to pay a decent amount of money for those certifications, because boy, do a lot of these places want to pay 2 cents an hour. Wild. What's everyone's goal for this year? Like for 2023, what's one accomplishable thing that you would like to get done? I think that I would like to read more. I have not been reading a lot lately other than stuff that's like for school. And I think I would really like to start reading for pleasure again. Like that's just something that I used to enjoy that I just never take the time for anymore. And I definitely have the time because I'm for sure scrolling TikTok. So I kind of want to get back into reading a little bit more. Do you have any book suggestions? Keeping in mind that the genre I'm most drawn to is usually like fantasy, supernatural, horror type situations. Okay, I am not recommending this because it's not what you're supposed to do. Do as I say, not as I do. But I go in and kind of shape back up, file back up, buff back up at this point of the process because I don't activate before I use the dip base again to place my little glitters and items because I don't want to risk contaminating my dip base with the activator. So yeah, you're not supposed to buff and file before the activator because you can end up taking off chunks or whatever. I'm a rebel without a cause. I'm going to live on the edge. I'm going to continue to do it. I cannot recommend that you do it. I do it because I want there to be a smooth surface for all these little pieces. I want everything to look nice underneath it. So I do it anyway. Now, obviously, I'm going to go in with the dip base and place these little fruit pieces. I'm going to go ahead and tell you now, I hate these clay pieces with every fiber of my being. I can never actually get them to lay flat enough the way I want them to. You can like file them to make them a little smoother, a little thinner, if you will, because they're clay, so the design goes all the way through. But I still can't ever get them to behave. I continue to use them because they're an easy way to do cute things, but they will never stop aggravating me. I decided it needed sparkle, so I pulled out Princess Dress and I kind of poured some into the cap so that I could kind of get the chunkier pieces to the top because I really only wanted those chunkier little pieces. And then I tried to go ahead and do like a little bit of a pour over situation. It wasn't giving me what I wanted though, so I ended up going in and individually picking up glitter pieces and placing them where I wanted. I thought this would be like a sparkly ice cube looking situation. I don't know why I thought that, and it definitely wasn't. And to be honest, the whole manicure probably could have gone without it because it's barely noticeable. But I'm gonna do what I want to do. So at this point in the process, I continued to decide that more was needed. So I pulled out Watermelon Wishes and I did like a little pour over of that glitter because I always want more sparkle. Whether or not it's necessary, who's to say? I am a person that just keeps adding sparkle. See, now is the part where you're actually supposed to pull out the file and the buffer after you activate. So that's what I'm doing. I'm filing, buffing, and then I'm going to reactivate as you do. Then we're going to top coat and we're going to wrap this up. Also, not shown here, but I did clear cap the nails that have the chunky stuff on them so that they would have a smooth surface to buff out. I always go in with like an alcohol wipe or a lint-free cloth to make sure that all the activator residue is gone because I am real bad about contaminating liquids and I don't want to do that. All right, we're doing top coat, which means this manicure's almost over. If you stayed and watched this whole thing, thank you, I appreciate it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more. Hopefully I can start putting out some more videos again, that would be really nice. If you want to see more of my nails and opinions on products, follow me on Instagram at creepybitty_nails. I hope you guys have an awesome week and I hope we can chit chat in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to check out the links in the description if you want to check out any of these products. Bye!